Are you tired of spending all that money on skincare that don't even work? Or are you tired every morning to try to cover up redness and pigment and it still doesn't work? Well, I get you. I'm Madelaine. I'm the owner of Sparkle. We've been around since 2012 and laser is my thing. So I'm the national clinical trainer and I know which laser, which treatment will actually work. The way we approach skin here at Sparkle is working with your skin, not against it. We need to really understand the root cause of your concern. Then we can take the right technology to target that issue, work with your skin, so then your skin become a reflection of what's going on inside. Here at Sparkle, we use true medical grade laser and we make sure that we pick the right technology for your concern. We don't have just one technology and we try to work it for everybody. We take you and we choose the right technology for you. We have over 9 different devices from Candela, from Cynosure. Those are all top grade medical equipment. The first step is to come in for a consultation. During that consultation, we'll make sure that we really understand your goal, what you've done in the past, how it works, and where you're trying to go. Then, depending on the downtime you're willing to have, some laser cause more damage, but the results come faster. Maybe your tolerance to pain can be different, and also your budget. Usually, money will buy you time. So the more downtime and the more money will give you the results quickly. But if you want something more gentle and maybe you have a lower budget, we'll just technically give you the same results, but just over a longer period of time. So then after, when we really understand your goal, your time frame, budget and all that, then we'll put together the actual treatment plan. Then we'll decide which technology is the best for you. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples of some technology that her client love here and give awesome results. So if you're looking for color, pigmentation, redness, we often like to start with IPL or Nordlys technology, something more superficial that will give you that instant gratification. But then when you come in, maybe 6 weeks later, when you heal from your first treatment, we're gonna go a little bit deeper in your skin. So we'll start creating some damage that will give you longer lasting results. When you come back 6 weeks after that, we'll go even deeper in your skin. That's where we're gonna start doing true DNA repair in your skin. And that's where you're gonna see that your skin is changing its behavior for a long period of time. And then we can keep on going until you are satisfied with the results. I like to say that for most people, a series of 3 to 4 treatments every 6 weeks will bring about 10 years back to your skin. That's what you're looking for. But you can keep on going. It's just most of people like to go for treatment. Then after that, you want to go for maintenance treatment. Some people like to keep coming every season, 4 times a year. Some people like to just maintain once a year. Completely okay. But don't forget that you have some homework to do at home. What? Skincare, protection, what you eat, how you sleep, what you drink all also affect your results. So that's all things we're gonna talk about in your consultation. So now the next step is to book your consultation. It can be done here at the clinic or it can be done virtual in the comfort of your home. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.